Um, you have a nice day today, Rogelia. Tomorrow again, we will try you. And I hope that you can manage to make to people make you irritating. Okay? Tomorrow again. And if we make you irritating, you need to, sweet. We are trying if you are sweet to us. Wow. It's easy to see like that. Huh? It's easy to see like that. It's nice to make irritating the people, and then I try if they are nice to me. But you know what? Honest is their eyes is gonna be big like that. Like that. Like that. Ayun. Like that. Diba? Madaling sabihin yan. Madaling sabihin. Alam mo, tinatry ka talaga namin kung nice ka sa aming lahat. Kasi ganito yan. It's part of a games na kailangan ka naming paglaruan, kung kailan naming paglalaruan, at kung kailangan ka naming paiyakin, paiiyakin ka rin namin. Oo nga, no? Alam mo, sa totoo lang, kung, kung gagawan ako ng pelikula at magjo-join ako, promise. If I cry, if it's drama, I can cry. If it's joke, I'm good for that. If it's romance, I'm good. I'm good. Basta yung partner ko. Yung partner ko, yung lalove ko, okay? Yung first love never die. Ayun, guys. Pero kapag kapag cartoons, marunong ako niyan, guys. Magkikinartoons na ako. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, hindi sa pinagmamayabang, may talent naman ako. Masyado lang akong ina-underestimate dito sa country nito. They underestimating me here in Denmark. Honest, yes. And they cannot accept that I say something negative, but you know what? They force me to be like this. Yeah, they force me to say something bad. But it's not bad. That's the reality, guys. They need to do is they need to accept the reality of what they done in the beginning until now. This is the result now. Why I need to say something. I want that all Filipino watching my YouTube channels, I want that they can know me who I am. Because I'm the type of person that I'm real, I'm not fake. I don't like to communicate or be friends to someone that I know that they didn't treat me right or they didn't accept me who I am. I'm the type of person that I don't want to force you if you don't like me. Yes. And I'm the type of person that I'm very vocal to say something if you destroyed me or make me sad or make me bad. Yeah, that's me. Sana guys, respect naman. Respect. I'm not a dog that you can kick me outside to run away here inside the house if you want. If Mons allowed me to stay here, you don't have right to kick me away and said that you need to go out. This is our country. You know what? I'll never steal in your country. But if I'm here because you give me a chance to stay in this country, you need to do is respect me as a Filipina. Because you know what? There's a lot of Filipina all over the world. We are the type of person that we are willing to learn language. That's our first priorities. Yes, learn language and find a job. But you know what? The problems is my situations. They don't like to listening to me. I feel like, I feel like every time that I want to say something, especially Danish in English, they are making me irritating. And they need to pretend that they cannot understand me. But honest is yes. In the beginning, after 3 years that I'm done in school in Danish language, I know and understand Danish too. And I can communicate even in English. The problems is, guys, please try to open your ears. Listen, and try to, understand what I'm saying. You know what? There's a lot of foreigner here that they cannot manage to speak Danish well. And they have a problems in English too. But I'm still lucky that, I need to force myself to learn more in English and Danish. But you know what, lately, I don't want to learn more. Because you know why? Because they force me to so many things that, it's too much for me. But if they give me a chance, guys, to learn more, I'm willing to go to school. But the problem is, if I go to school, that if they make me irritating because of bullying, much better to stop and find a job. Because I'm hoping that if I have a job, even in cleaning assistant, I can have a silent life. But suddenly, guys, everything is spilled. Even that, a cleaning assistant only that I will choose in the last time. But this time, guys, I will do my best to continue vlogging using my YouTube channels, because this is my last chance that I have, that I need to continue my dreams to be a YouTuber. Yes, I know that my daughter dream to be a YouTuber when she is 6 years old. But when she grow up, I feel like she changed too. She want to have a private life. But I know that I can understand that, because after all what we experience, of course, you want to have a silent and private life. But you know what? I don't have a privacy in this country. That's why I choose to be a blogger. Because, I can express what I want to express in life. And tell to everybody that, oh yeah, it's me. I want to tell you guys that this is my real life. My real story in my life. Behind their, their, what do you call that? Telling to everybody. Ang hirap pala, guys, mamuhay sa ibang country, sa totoo lang. Lahat ng pinaka-worst na naranasan ko dito. Yung mga kahihiyan na hindi ko naranasan sa country ko, naranasan ko dito dahil sa mga tao. Sa mga tao na hindi ko alam kung ano ang atraso ko, hindi ko alam kung bakit ako tinatrato ng ganito. Ng ko, no? Ang dami kong pangarap sa buhay. Parang alam mo yung nagstay ako sa isang country ng punong-puno ng pagsisisi. Pero yung mailabas ko ang anak ko sa mundong ito, I'm happy mother in earth. Yes. Janine is my wish child. That's why, it's difficult to leave your daughter here without family, without her mom. Yeah. And I feel broke. Yes, I feel broke. I feel broke because it's not easy to choose to have a silent life. And then your daughter is here that begging you, Mama, please stay. Please stay with me. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na ang bigat-bigat sa pakiramdam na isipin mo na yung anak mo na inalagaan mo, my daughter that I taking care in how many years since young, kung saan 13 years old na siya, kukunin siya sa'yo. Kasi ang accusation nila, I'm not a good mother. But why they didn't try to ask my daughter what kind of mom she have? Maybe she can explain, she can tell the truth. Pero alam mo guys, sa totoo lang, nakakaiyak, no? Sakit sa dibdib yung kagaya ko. Sa dami-dami ng nanay sa buong mundo. Ako lang ang nakikita nilang masamang nanay. Ako lang nang ako. Mahirap na. Sa totoo lang is, yung maranasan kong umiyak sa country ito, na hindi ko naranasan sa Pilipinas. Ayun yung pinaka-worst na nangyari sa buhay ko. Pero yung lagi kong tinitignan is,
Yung makita ko yung anak ko na masaya, yes, sinasabi ko na, "Oh, I'm happy to see you like that, anak." Sometimes kapag nakikita kong down na siya, down din ako. I smile her back and then make her happy. Pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, yung happiness ng buhay ko ay ang anak ko, pamilya ko. At yung wish ko lang naman ay makita ko yung anak ko na masaya, na alam mo yung may choices siya. I need to do this because I want to go with my mom because this is what I want. Pero ang hirap, no? Ang hirap kapag wala ka sa country mo. Ang hirap kasi hindi ka nila binibigyan ng chance, hindi ka nila binibigyan ng pagkakataon na magsalita kung ano yung gusto mo at kung ano yung ayaw mo. Yun lang, guys. Bye-bye.